in Normal, Illinois. It's Carl the Muffler Man. Carl's ice cream. And instead of holding a muffler, he's holding an ice cream cone and a cheeseburger. He's a good-looking muffler man, standing proud. They're not open yet, or I would be ordering something from Carl. So cool. Such a nice day. March 20th, 2021. Carl, the muffler man, side gigging as an ice cream man. He is cool. Look at those feet. I wish they were open because I would really like a hamburger or a cheeseburger and some curly fries. Maybe some tater tots. Well, the open sign's flashing. Maybe they are open. And there's a car over there. We'll see.